Hello everyone, today I have a Ipsy bag unboxing. My bag came in this packaging, it's fully open, so I hope nothing got stolen out of it. But I'm going to show you guys what I got in this month. After next month, I redeem the item. I'm going to cancel my subscription and go to a different packing site. So I'm going to go to BoxyCharm, I believe, or Sephora Play. So let me know down below which of the two are your favorites, Sephora Play or BoxyCharm. So this is what the bag looks like. I don't know if I showed that. I have a headache, so my head is like throbbing. But let's just get inside. So first thing I see is the card, which I can never read these. So yeah, the card. I'm already disappointed. This is a Morphe highlighter. I had never heard of this brand before. It's in Spark. Couldn't be creative, could ya? Couldn't be creative at all. Your name? I don't know how good Morphe is. I never even had. I almost broke it. Had a product from them before. It is pretty, but it looks like my skin tone. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell it's horrible lighting right now, but it matches my skin tone perfectly. So I don't know how well that's going to work, but I like the color. Ooh, It Naturals 12-in-1 Amazing Leave-In Treatment. Keratin-rich argan oil. Argan oil? Argan oil? Get your butt sitting down on the bed. So I can't wait to try this out. I need really good stuff in my hair because I bleach it so often. I can't wait to try that. That's one perk. What are you? A lip crayon, I believe. What are you? Looks like a lip crayon. Let's see. Not too mature. It's a Milani Beautiful Lip Color crayon. It's not the color I would wear. I can tell you that right off the bat. Let me open this. It's not really a color I would wear. But maybe on a adventurous day I'll wear it. But yeah, not too bright colors like that. And then there's this thing, which is a M Princess. Go into things. M Princess Pretty Petal. And I don't know what this is. I think it may be a pigment. Which I don't like pigments. Like, honestly, they're so messy. And I can't open it. Oh, I feel stupid. Sit down. No jumping on the bed. You remember how the monkey that jumped on the bed? Yep, it's a pigment. I don't want to open this, but it's a pink color, if you guys can see that. So it has a seal on the inside too. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I don't want to open this and spill all over my desk, so we're not going to do that. And then last is eyeliner by Lord & Berry. It's purple. I've been getting eyeliners too much lately. It's heartbreaking. Ipsy, come on. Come on, people. Come on. Okay, so the only good thing out of this bag this month is the bag itself and this product right here. Other than that, I don't say they redeemed themselves. And this smells really good, by the way. So, yeah, Ipsy, you're going to be canceled soon. You're not living up to expectations of Ipsy. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy my honest reviews of Ipsy. I'm sorry they're going to be gone soon. But I will do honest reviews of another Ipsy type service, like BoxyCharm or, you know, any services like that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to have one more for next month because I want my item I redeemed. But other than that, Ipsy's bye-bye. So, Ipsy's done. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. And please comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.